Okay, kids, come on. Stay together. But it's all foggy and yucky. At least it's not raining, huh? Asta. Hi. Duffy. Hello. Asta. Here we are in the park. We're supposed to go walking. There's the Hudson River. Sniff, sniff. Female. Somebody left some. We'll walk out here. Oh, nice. Asta doing a pee-pee. Lovely. You hear the water lapping? Can't see the Statue of Liberty. It's been sort of way off in the distance, but not very well. Wish this was smell-o-vision because you can smell the ocean. Really cool. Do you sniff it, guys? Sniff? Asta. Yeah. Asta sniffing, getting a whiff of wonderful fresh air. So's Duffy. Yes, perfect.